Hello guys, it's Team of the Year and we are going to open Team of the Year packs on Futwatch. And we already got an inform. So in these packs we get another inform. We are gonna get Team of the Year goalkeepers and defenders, which includes Marcelo, Sergio Ramos, Thiago Silva, and we get another inform, Thiago Silva, Dani Alves, and Neuer. And they are pretty good players, honestly, they are. So I'm really hoping I can pack one in here. As well as that, of course, Team of the Year makes everyone excited because there might be a market crash. They're the best cards, etc., etc. Yeah. So hopefully we do get a blue card in here, but it will be hard, and I don't think they'll give the Team of the Year cards in the packs any easier. We get Maxwell in form. So if you guys are gonna be playing FIFA 15, FIFA 16, they all have the Team of the Year cards. Just be careful because the blue cards, they have a yellow stripe in the middle of the card, which says the player of the name. This Team of the Year card design. I don't know why is it that way, because it's supposed to be just a blue card, solid blue card without any color on it. And this Team of the Year card is confusing me with the Team of the Season cards. And it's getting really complicated. It's hard to explain it, but yeah, that's just the thing. So look out for a market crash. Get the players you wanted that are expensive. They might be a bit cheaper now. So I suggest don't go for them yet unless you really think it's extremely cheap. Because usually the Team of the Year lasts for 7 days at least. And last day will be when every Team of the Year card comes out. And that will be when people buy the packs. They really want to get the packs to pack a Team of the Year. And then at that time the market will actually crash. The whole reason why, and we get another inform, I think that's the 5th inform already. The whole reason why there's a market crash happening is because people are really desperate and they really want to pack the Team of the Year card, which is why they're going to spend and put all their money on packs, which causes the market to crash, because the buyers need to sell them for a cheaper price in order to attract people to buy the items on the market, since everyone's going for the packs. You can read more about this on other articles or FIFA websites. So far, our pack luck is okay, pretty decent. We've got 5 informs, but they're just 80 to 82 rated. Not the best cards we can get, but I expected that. Hopefully you guys won't be bored. So we get David Lewis. Okay, and we get Hansick in form. That's pretty decent. It's probably one of the best inform cards we've got today. We get Ben Yedder in form. So let me just tell you one thing. This Team of the Year pack is not the best pack. Like, it won't guarantee you Team of the Year in every single pack. They're like 100k packs, but it just says there will be a better chance of you packing a Team of the Year card. So it might take you a long time to pack a Team of the Year card, which is my situation right now. And it gets really frustrating sometimes. Oh my god! Oh my god! We just got messy! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! We just got Lionel Messi, the best player in FIFA. I'm so astonished. We just got the best player? Are you serious? Thank you so much. But I wish I can pack his Team of the Year version. That would be even better. I'm guessing his rating will probably be 99. Okay, so now we're not getting anybody good. So this is the part that it's sort of boring in a way. There is a new tournament in FIFA, which is called the Team of the Year Cup. I forgot what the requirements are, but I'll check it out, and I might even do a gameplay. Do you guys like the Silver Cup gameplay? If you do, just leave a suggestion or just comment so that I know should I do more of the FIFA 15 gameplay or Futwatch pack openings. Come on, please give me a blue card. So back to the Team of the Year Cup. I think the reward is a premium jumbo gold pack, which will give you a lot of good contracts, but the players are not going to be good at all, from my experience. You guys can check it out if you have one. It also works on FIFA 16. We get more Dritch, but we didn't get his Team of the Year. This is getting really bad ever since we packed Messi. I mean, come on, just give me a blue card. I really want a Team of the Year card. Come on, Futwatch, just come on. This is getting really bad. I wasn't expecting that Team of the Year packs will suck like this. It's like opening 100k packs. I never thought of it. It sucked a lot. And they're not even giving us informs right now, which drives me nuts. It gets me angry. Oh, just give me a good player, please. This, perhaps, is one of the worst pack openings I've ever done. Other than Messi and Hamzik inform, we have never gotten any informs. In the past, wait, is that Thiago Silva? Is that Thiago Silva Team of the Year? Yes, finally! Finally! We got Thiago Silva Team of the Year. Yes! Yes! I'm so happy. It's my first Team of the Year card. So I've been repetitively saying, oh my gosh, I'm not getting anybody good. I still haven't packed the Team of the Year. Then finally they give me this. I'm so happy. Yes, it is a valuable pack and I already stored it. I think it'll be a long time before I pack one of those blue cards again. We just got Ibrahimovic. Yes, continue. So that's it for the pack opening, guys. Hope you like it. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.